Okay, next question. The Yellow Pencil Company sent out an order of 83,458 pencils. Which expression is the same number in expanded notation? We talked about expanded notation on Tuesday of this week. So let's look at this. First of all, I'm going to plug this number into my place value chart. When you're dealing with place value, you almost always have a place value chart. When in doubt, just create one. So I have 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, comma, hundreds, tens, ones. 83,458. There's my number plugged into my place value chart. So now I want expanded notation. And remember, that's taking the digit times the value. So what is the value of this 8? It's in the 10,000. So 10,000 looks like that. This is the value of the thousands. This is the hundreds. This is the tens. This is the ones. So you're going to multiply the digit in that place value times the value of that place value. So this first one would be 8 times 10,000. 10,000 only has 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 times 10,000. 8 times 100,000. And if you're not sure, I don't know if that's 10,000 or 100,000. That's okay. Let's count our zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That cannot be your answer because F makes it wrong. 8 times 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. That works. 3 times 1,000. 3 times 1,000. That works. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting the zeros. 5 times 100. 4 times 100. That's a 5 times 100. This is a 4 times 100. That is wrong. 8 times 10,000. 8 times 10,000. That works. 3 times 100. 3 times 1,000. That does not work. 8 times 10,000. 8 times 10,000. 3 times 1,000. 3 times 1,000. 4 times 100. 4 times 100. 5 times 10. 5 times 10. And 8 times 1. 8 times 1. There's your correct answer. J was your correct answer. And one other little tip that I can show you when we talked about this when we first started talking about place value, in your ones place value, you have 0 zeros. 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros. That will help you when writing the value. So you're going to write a 1 and then however many zeros. A 1 and however many zeros, and so on as you go forth. That's just a little tip to help you remember how many zeros each place value has.